No! Clementine is in trouble! The poor girl is suffering! Or not. It's got bacon! My favorite! This is the evil owner of the museum. What's up, Wendigo? I see you are not going hungry. Mummy, roll up your gauze! Zombie, how do I get you? It'll be a perfect way to complete my collection. I can imagine the lines of people waiting to see this place. They'll pay anything. Oh yeah! I'm gonna be rich! I'll find a zombie no matter what it takes. I'm a risk taker, but it's worth it. Where's the zombie? Ew! Not this. Not this either. Aha! Here you are! I found you! Zombie, you're coming with me! A cardboard cutout instead of a real zombie? Will this plan actually work? Get in the bag! What's wrong? The arms are in the way. I'll carry you like this. So, Clementina will be answering. Clemmy, why are you silent? Clem, come on! No homework again! You are not trying at all! Go to your spot! No! Right now! No! You have to stand there, or I'll put you there! Why are you so stubborn and so heavy? Fine! Oh! A spider! Ah! Let's go! The lighting is better there! Ha! Great! It's over! Finally! Wanna play ball? Great idea! Pass to Clemmy! Whoops! Clem never was good at it. Clementina, I got a surprise for you! The things you can find in a big city. I think zombies like this stuff. I'm sure she's gonna love it. Oh, a new jigsaw puzzle. I'll try to put all these pieces together. I did it! Hi! Congrats! This spot of honor is yours now. Make yourself at home. But why am I even here? Oh! My hands are back in place! Oh! I feel kinda sick! Where's the bathroom? Sorry, I'll just borrow some paper. It wasn't enough. I promise it won't happen again. I think the brain I ate for breakfast was spoiled. Oh, Mommy, sorry. My favorite cookies. Oh, the new Troom Troom video is out. Don't! No, Clementina! Hands off! Oh, why are you so literal? Clem, take your hand back. 2 is enough. What? Whose is that? What should I do? Oh, a ball! Let's play, Clemmy! Here! Whoops! Everyone knows zombies can't catch balls. This rash is so annoying. Clem, let's have a self-care day. I got makeup. It'll make you more beautiful. More beautiful than now? Well, I'll try. Oh no! That's awful! You don't like it? The world isn't ready for this beauty yet. Great! Stay like that! division is annoying me. It's too boring here. And to be honest, you are not that fun to hang out with. No offense. That's it. I'm fed up. I'm leaving. Bye, Nancy. The blanket came down. She's gonna freeze. I need to cover her. Much better. She's sleeping so tight. I could use a nap too. I'm freezing! Where's the blanket? What? Really? At least Clementina is warm and cozy. Who is it? I'm not expecting anyone. Open up! Police! They are looking for the zombie. I need to hide her right now. Clementina, wake up! Hide in the corner. No, they'll see you right away. I know. Get in the closet. Great! It's tight in here. Officer, please, come in. This is just a checkup. This is a regular room, nothing illegal. What's in there? Tin! Clem, nice to see you. Wait, I'm working. Thanks for your help. Phew, close one. Let's play chess. You can pick white or black. Yay, chess. Fine, my move's first. Now you move. Go, pawns. I see. Chess is not for us. Let's play Jenga. Everyone knows how to play that. The tower is done. Now you just carefully take the blocks out. I'm gonna take out this one. All of them. Playing with a zombie is hard. Did I win? Of course! How didn't I think of it right away? Woohoo! A video about a rich zombie. Aww, laundry's done. But where do I dry it? I know! Zombie arms will be perfect for it. Thanks, Clementina. Wow! This is what a real zombie looks like. I always wanted to see one. Zombie selfie! Nice. Clementina made me so tired that I look like a zombie. So much money. Congrats! Your collection became famous. You're successful. Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what zombie moment you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom Troom.